The Justrite Outdoor Ashtray Model 26800T is a tall standing unit made from thick, fire-resistant polyethylene that shrugs off rust, dents, and cracking in busy outdoor areas. Its narrow chimney-style neck limits airflow, so cigarette ends go out quickly inside the galvanized steel bucket, which significantly lowers fire risk around entrances and smoking zones. The internal steel pail holds a very large number of cigarette butts, so facilities staff do not need to empty it constantly, even in high-traffic locations. A removable top section makes it straightforward to lift out the inner bucket for dumping and cleaning, and optional liners can make disposal even more sanitary. The covered design helps keep rainwater out and traps odors inside, so the surrounding area stays cleaner and smells better than with open trays or cans. Integrated tie-down points and the broad, stable base help this terracotta unit stay put in strong wind, and it is built in the United States to recognized safety standards.